I want to confirm that for grade 9 books, they have all been printed. 9.9 million books have been printed for grade 9. And distribution has been going on. I'm told 85% of the schools have received their books. The remainder of 14%, most of it is that some of the schools were not having teachers around that time to receive the books. But I'm told between today, tomorrow, and over the weekend, they will all have received their books in readiness for Monday.
The media, I just wanted to let you know that the schools are due for opening on Monday, on the 6th, and we are prepared for the grade 9 transition. We were supposed to do 16,000 classrooms to ensure that there is a smooth transition from grade 8 to grade 9. We have so far done 13,500 classrooms, with the remaining 2,500 classrooms scheduled to be completed within the last 2 weeks of January.